Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-divide ng polynomials gamit ang long division. Just keep on watching! Hello mga anakshis! Welcome to MathTV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Good day everyone! Ang una nating example ay negative 2x plus 3x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 3. Ang una nating gagawin ay i-rewrite natin yung given sa long division form. Take note na ang dividend ay dapat naka-arrange siya sa descending powers of the variable. So, ang mauuna yung nasa loob, diba ito? So, 3x squared. Ang next sa 3x squared ay negative 2x minus 4. Tapos, i-check ninyo kung kompleto lahat ng terms niya. Dito, from 2, 1, 0. So, kompleto naman. Then, i-divide natin yung divisor na x minus 3. Next, ang unang gagawin, i-divide muna natin yung first na term doon sa first term dito. So, 3x squared divided by x. So, dapat kabisado ninyo kung paano mag-divide ng mga variables na may exponent. So, 3x squared divided by x is equal to 3x. Kasi isusubtract natin yung exponent ng variable. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 or 3x na lang. Then, yung 3x ilalagay natin dito sa tapat ng kapareho niya ng exponent. Then, 3x, imumultiply natin doon sa lahat ng term na sa divisor. 3x times x is equal to 3x squared. 3x times negative 3 is equal to negative 9x. Then, kagaya din ng pag-divide ng mga elementary math, isusubtract natin ito dito. So, subtract natin. 3x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 0. Then, negative 2x minus negative 9x, magiging positive na yung sign nito kasi negative to negative will be positive. Negative 2x plus 9x is equal to positive 7x. Next, bring down negative 4. Ang next na gagawin, yung first term ulit, i-divide natin doon sa first term. So, 7x divided by x, makakancel to, ang matitira lang ay 7. Then, yung 7, ilalagay natin dito sa tapat ng negative 4. Then, i-multiply natin sa lahat ng term. 7 times x is equal to 7x. 7 times negative 3 is equal to negative 21. Then, subtract 7x minus 7x is equal to 0. Negative 4 minus negative 21, syempre magiging positive na kasi negative to negative will be positive. Magiging negative 4 plus 21 is equal to positive 17. And then yung 17, this will be the remainder. Okay? Sa pagsulat ng final answer, unahin yung dividend, 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 over yung divisor, x minus 3. And then, yung quotient. The quotient is 3x plus 7. Then, ilalagay natin yung remainder, 17 over the divisor, which is x minus 3. So, ganito dapat ang pagsulat ng quotient kapag meron siyang remainder. So, the quotient plus remainder over the divisor. Other example natin, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 3 minus 4x minus 16 divided by x plus 2. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ito ay naka-arrange na in descending order. Pero, meron siyang missing term na x raised to 2. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, mag-i-insert kayo ng 0x raised to 2 para makompleto pa rin yung term niya. So, unahin natin to, 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed. At kapag kulang yung term, dapat lagyan ninyo palagi ng 0 x raised to 2, depende kung ano yung missing term. Minus 4x minus 16 divided by x plus 2. Okay, so kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, yung first term i-divide natin sa first term. So 2x raised to 4 divided by x is equal to 2. 4 minus 1 will be x raised to 3. Then, ilalagay natin yung 2x raised to 3 dun sa tapat ng 3x raised to 3. Kasi yun yung kapareho niya. 2x raised to 3. And then, itong initial quotient, imumultiply natin sa divisor. 2x raised to 3 times x is equal to 2x raised to 4. 2x raised to 3 times 2 is equal to positive 4x cubed. Then, subtract. 2x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 is equal to 0. Then, 3x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 3 magiging negative na ito kasi negative to positive, negative. 3x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 3 is equal to negative x cubed. Dapat kabisado ninyo kung paano mag-add or mag-subtract ng integers. Then, bring down positive 0x raised to 2. Then, divide ulit natin yung first term dito doon sa first term ng divisor. Negative x raised to 3 divided by x is equal to negative 1 or negative na lang. Then, x, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, the quotient will be negative x squared. Ilalagay natin dito sa tapat ng 0x square. So, negative x square. Then, imumultiply natin to doon sa divisor. Negative x squared times x is equal to negative x cubed. Negative x squared times 2 is equal to negative 2x squared. Then, subtract. Negative x cubed minus negative x cubed is equal to 0. 0x squared minus negative 2x squared, negative at negative, magiging positive ito. So, magiging 0 plus 2 na siya. So, positive 2x squared. Bring down negative 4x. Again, i-divide natin ito doon sa first term. So, 2x squared divided by x. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2x. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 or wag nyo na lang ilagay yung 1 kasi automatic na yon. So, the quotient is 2x. Ilalagay natin dito sa tapat ng negative 4x. Then, multiply. Positive 2x times x is equal to 2x squared. 2x times 2 is equal to positive 4x. Subtract. 2x squared minus 2x squared is equal to 0. Negative 4x minus positive 4x, negative at positive, mapapalitan ito ng negative. So, negative 4 minus 4 is equal to negative 8x. Bring down negative 16. Again, i-divide ito doon sa first term. So, negative 8x divided by x. So, magiging negative 8x divided by x is equal to 1. Kaya, ang final answer is negative 8. Ilalagay natin dito. Negative 8 times x is equal to negative 8x. Negative 8 times positive 2 is equal to negative 16. Subtract. Negative 8x minus 8x is equal to 0. Negative 16 minus negative 16 is equal to 0. So, the remainder is 0. And the quotient is 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 8. So, ganun ang pag-divide ng polynomial to binomial. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa video na ito. Goodbye!